My name's Kevin Johnston. I'm Managing Director of Funky Chunky Furniture. We sell solid wood furniture, particularly rustic furniture. We distribute that all over the UK and sell a little bit internationally as well. The business actually started in what used to be an old boathouse. It was actually attached to the back of my house, but it was a good commercial space to start the business. The whole idea was to have a really durable concept in the furniture and build something that's really built to stand the test of time. We bought one machine at a time and built the business essentially brick by brick. We've currently got 20 employees and we've got a really good team. The good thing is they used to change because the businesses grew so quickly. Everybody's used to things changing around them and they embrace that quite well. And they keep us on our toes. The businesses grew from strength to strength. We've just done just under 1.7 million turnover. We've got a lot of projects on the horizon because we've got a lot of growth in mind, so we're going to be rebranding. We've just built a new extension at the bottom of the workshop. We're investing in a new plant. We're investing in people. And that's all around about ramping up to what we've got around the next corner.